So, all right, that was quick. I'm glad. I mean, like I say, I wasn't happy with myself. I didn't want to send that email because it was driving me nuts. I'm just gonna stretch that. I just hate when people say that doesn't work and don't say, well, but this does. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold true to the values here and offer up a true winning option. I do need to align my drawings, turn off my grid snap, and I just want to see what I do is I just draw like a quick line like that, and I snapped it to the corner. I'm gonna cut it, paste it over here, and then just snap this drawing back in place here. So we'll just do like that. All right, delete that line. Just a quick way to get things lined up between pages. Proposed floor plan. This is going to be option B, and this is going to be proposed floor plan, and that's going to be option A. Like that. Cool. All right. So, I'm going to just export pages 2 and 3. And yeah, oh, and then my perspectives didn't link up. So I need to relink these guys to our option B. So now we got our couch back there. And then relink this guy to option B as well. I like that new feature. I mean, it wasn't a big deal just to like re-export everything, but it's kind of nice just to, you know, write, like I would have had to have re-exported and dragged and dropped and aligned, and there would have been a handful of steps to it. But with this, I get to duplicate what I was already on and then just pipe these views back in and create a new option. So I dig it. I like that new feature. Pretty cool. So I'm going to export, I'm going to save this and go to File, Export. We're going to kick out only pages 2 and 3. File, Export, PDF, and let's go to our exports, and we'll do a new folder for 200228 for today. And I will also prefix my export with 200228. Kick that out, and we're going to want pages 2 and 3. Export those out, and let's just take a look at our PDF before we ship it out and see what we got. It's taking a moment. Not too bad. All right, popped up on my other screen here. Drag that in. All right, so option A, definite no-go, but proving, you know, just to show the client that like, hey, I appreciate your ideas, but they're just simply not going to work. Here is a solution that does work, and I like this way better. Way better. Okay, perfect. All right, well, that's I think that's good for tonight. Friday at 6:30. I'm cooked, but just want to make sure I got them something this week. So technically, I did that. Anyways, we'll see what they say, and we'll pick it up in the next session. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, LayOut, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you are going to love our tutorials.